I never bought a HDMI video transmission system earlier because they are effing expensive. This one for 89 bucks. Where did SHIMBOL cut the corners with this TPmini? So we're gonna talk about the good, the bad, and the dragon. Simple, small, mostly metal construction with no antennas on the way and still go up to 180 meters. Both receiver and transmitter have full HDMI sizes, and the button on and off, they are old school sliding buttons. Also on the side you have the battery check button. I wasn't expecting this. A lot of products using the NPF batteries, except cameras, usually don't have this feature. And screens also have them. The transmitter has one HDMI in and one out, meaning that you can add a second screen next to the camera for the focus puller, for example. The receiver has two full HDMI out for some reason. I think they are trying to make a big effort to look like a non-small budget product. So let's see where they cut corners. Now this thing is powered by NPF batteries, as someone as old as me should have a bunch of them lying around, but I think for the new users, they won't have this kind of battery. Now you can use the USB-C to power these puppies, so you're gonna need two power banks if you are working on location, but that means extra cables and that can be annoying. Also, I think that having more battery options, like the modern batteries from Sony or Canon, could rank up a little bit more the price. But if you really want to buy this, get a small NPF battery. Running out of juice won't be a problem. This receiver worked for 3 days and didn't reach 75% with a big NPF 970. Now it's hooked to the camera right now. It would be nice to have some cold shoe mounting options, especially on the transmitter, but 1/4 cold shoe mount adapter isn't that hard to find. Yes, I am struggling to find problems with this product. So let's go to the one real big problem that I found. The delay is 70 milliseconds. For a gamer, that is 150 years. Let's compare it with a professional version that is 3 times, 4 times the price. You know what? 70 milliseconds is not, it's fine. If you are frugal like me, you are seeing other options to use this product besides filmmaking, like connect the transmitter to my tower PC and the receiver to the opposite side of the house on the TV to see some open source movies. Honestly, my biggest complaint is the look. I don't mind the dragon, but replace the red with dark gray, okay? And the dragon could be red, but black matte I think should be nice. If you want to buy the TPmini, you probably are looking for a budget screen, and this one is perfect for it. Talking about budget, here is a video of the cheapest lens that I ever used.